Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and YouTube. Today we are going to register a form online for Shaala Siddhi. Once we click on the link, another interface will pop up, and this interface will be written that we can do registration form for Shaala Siddhi online. At first we have to give our proper email ID. Like for example, I am giving abc@gmail.com, but we have to give our proper email ID. Then next, the name of the program. So we know the name of the program will be Shaala Siddhi, so we have to type Shaala Siddhi. After that, we'll scroll down, and here you can see salutation. So here, if you are Mr. Mrs. whatever is your salutation, you'll put. Then next we'll scroll and we'll find that name of the participant. So name of the participant will be the name of the teacher, whoever is participating in Shaala Siddhi program. So like for example, I have put ABCXYZ. Then we'll scroll down, and your designation we have to put. Like here we can put assistant teacher, or say for example science teacher or Hindi teacher, whatever is your designation. After that, after properly giving our designation, we'll scroll down. In the gender option, we have to give a proper gender. If we are male, we have to put on male. You have to click on male. Then you can see next we have religion. So here, if we are Muslim, Christian, Sikh or Hindu, whatever is our religion, we will just click on that. Then we have category. So if we are general, SC, ST, OBC, whatever is our category, just click on that. Then we'll scroll down and we'll find professional qualification. So whatever is our qualification, we'll just click on that. Next we'll scroll down and we'll find name and address of the present organization. So it will be the name of our school. So we have to put the name of our school. Then district also, the district name will be the same name of your school district, not your home district. It will be your school district name. Then we have state. So of course we know the state will be Assam, since government of Assam has directed us to follow this. Then we have to put our proper pin code. Here again the pin code will be the school pin code where you are serving. Then next we have to give our proper valid mobile number, and after typing our mobile number, we will just scroll down, and here we have total experience in service in years. Just we have to put down the number. If you have 5 years, 10 years, 1 years, whatever is your years, you have to just give that number. Then have you participated in any program organized by NEPA earlier? Please give detail. So if yes, you can give everything detail, but no, let me put. Then next option is additional information, if any, which you would like to mention. If you want to mention, you can mention, or else you'll just click on the submit button, and after that next interface will pop up. So here we have successfully registered our form for Shaala Siddhi online. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel for more videos update. Thank you.